and I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be getting a new laptop. I'm so excited. I'm hoping they have it in store and I don't have to wait till it gets mailed to the house or whatever. Yes. As you can see, I made it home and I got the MacBook Pro. I am so excited, you guys. Like, I could not wait to get home. And I'm so glad they had it in store. I went straight to the Apple store. So I'm so glad they had it in store and I didn't have to wait for like shipment and things like that. I could just take it home with me. So that was a bonus. And also before this, I had MacBook Air, the 15-inch. And I had that since like freshman year in college. So it was just time to upgrade, and I did trade it in. So I got money off of this one. And yeah, let's get into this. All right, y'all, I'm so excited. Wow, that felt good. I just slide it open like this. I never had the Pro before, so this is gonna be new for us together. And I ended up going with the 13-inch because the 16-inch was just way too big. And honestly, the way the keyboard sat on there, I don't know. I just didn't like it. So I ended up going with the 13-inch, but it's a little different because I'm coming from the MacBook Air, which was 15 inches, and I thought that was just the perfect size. But I had to get this one because I didn't want the 16, and I'm still, all right, let me shut up and let me open this. She thick too, pretty thick box, okay. Oh my goodness. How cute. How cute. And I got space gray. Look how cute she is. All right, I'll give y'all the satisfaction. Oh, okay. As soon as you open, she turns on. Oh, this is so pretty. I feel like I need to wash my hands.
Press the return key.
Oh, she talking. Okay. And I just want to let y'all know the mouse click feels so different from the Air. I never had a Pro, so I'm not sure if it's different from all the Pros, but this mouse click is different. And here's what I was talking about with the smaller 13-inch. I feel like the keyboard fits the whole padding landing area here, right here. You know what I mean? And with the 16-inch, it was bigger, which I kind of like, but this seems so much smaller because it was bigger. But I like this size because I can just throw this in my purse, you know, and it's easier to carry. And it's really lightweight, and I am loving it so far. I love this keyboard. It's like touch here. I don't know much of the specs about this, so that is not this kind of video. I'm just, you know, showing y'all my excitement. I'm at this point now where I'm putting in my information. But you guys, I looked, and there's no USB. Why didn't the lady tell me? I could have got an adapter there, but I mean, I'm gonna order it on Amazon. So it has to have that. I did not know that. I guess I didn't do my research, y'all. She's still so pretty. All right, so now we are here to the Express setup. I can't get over this clicking. You barely have to click. I didn't set up like the iCloud because I didn't want stuff from my other Mac to get onto the new computer, like stuff I barely use or don't need. So I put everything on an external hard drive and I'll just use that. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. It says, use your fingerprint to unlock the Mac and make purchases. Hey y'all, this thing changed to lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. This is fancy. Oh yeah. Your girl done upgraded, okay? So my look, let's see what I'm gonna go for. I like the light. I'm a bright person. She ready, y'all. She ready. And I like how this changes. This is cool. I'm so happy. All right, y'all. And I am just totally freaking out by this. But look, you can do here, click here, search or enter website name. And it takes you up to there. And then if I start typing here, say what I want to put. I'll just start with the. look how it guesses the word, and I can click the, and it's the little things for me, okay? I'm loving this. My stuff from Amazon came, and the first thing was this power adapter case. And I thought this would help to keep my cord protected so it can last a little longer, because these things are expensive and I'm not trying to have to buy another one. And my cord on my MacBook Air literally lasts me the whole, 8 to 10 years I had it. So I'm gonna do the same for this one. Here's the case. So it's just a clear case, make it super simple. So you sit this on here first, like that, sit that on there, and then you put that on there. Then we close it. All right, so we got this looking like this. And it also came with these little cord protectors here. And you just wrap it around like that. It's like that. You could still just plug it in and then unravel this part. And then that way it always can stay in this case and stay nice and organized. I like that, I like that. All right, I got the last of my accessories for my laptop. So let's set it all up. I got a privacy screen, like when I go to, Starbucks or stuff like that, or just a library, no one can really see my screen and be all nosy, So I got this. Ink is the mat that I got to go on the desk. So I'll open them. Here's my adapter, so I can plug in my USB and SIM card and things. This is my mat roller. This is my mat, so let me pull that out. Okay, so I decided to go with really girly, cute. I have these external hard drives I got from Amazon, and then a little adapter here. I went with the white mouse, like that. The only thing I don't really like, it doesn't close all the way. But it still works. It came with this key covering. I like this. And also, I already have the magnetic covering on there. So there it is without. And you just stick it on. I think it doesn't close because of the magnet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.